If you want to know how to buy shares of EZJ.L, this short guide will walk you through the main steps. EZJ.L is a UK low-cost airline listed on the LSE PLC under ticker EZJ.L, and this is educational information, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker EZJ.L to locate EZJ.L. Select the result that matches the LSE listing so you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Confirm the market shows LSE and the ticker EZJ.L to ensure it is the right listing. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For the exact eToro sign-up link and more details, see the description below.